No, actually, I have already booked in the flight at the 2nd of this March, but it has got cancelled due to this situation. But later we got the seat in Emirates. So situation is quite very normal. Actually, we went to Egna actually for a religious program. It's all went well. So there is no problem from Dubai to airport. Only thing is that limited flights are flying, and also there is some delay because what is happening for each flight, right? There are securities which are taken place. See, actually yesterday it's supposed to departure at 9:30, but it took at 10:30 because of all the security checks and everything, right? It's all normal. There's no issue. No, nothing actually. We are getting just a notification, but I never saw any. I saw two, three missiles which is flying, but I never saw that it is hitting. And there are fake news around. Actually, it is hitting that airport, and there is a damage in the airport. Nothing like that. It's all fake news. Actually, everything is quite normal, and all people are all fine, and all the tourists are happily roaming around the Dubai. Thank you.
In Dubai is really under control, but in India, I can see that the media is showing really something that's not actually not happening there. But Dubai is really safe. The government is taking care of everybody. There's nothing to worry about. Yeah, there are situations that they have to, work on it, but they are doing it. They're trying their level best. But Dubai is really doing their best. Definitely, they cannot risk anybody, any of us at stake, right? They can't put us on stake and come on. They cannot be like, okay, fine, we'll send the passengers. The sheikh will never do that. The prince and the king will make sure to protect the entire crowd there. So they're not going to put anybody in trouble. So the decision that they take, even canceling flights, it might frustrate one or two, but apparently they're just doing that so they can protect us. So it's completely fine. See, what's portrayed here is actually not what's happening there. It's completely very different scenario there. Things are under control there, and I'm not the right person to give the complete details about that. I think the UAE government has better clearance about that, and they're the right people to do it. But I really request the Indian media to actually not cover what's not true and to cover what's true in Dubai. And they're really taking care of everybody in Dubai. I've been there for so long. It's the most safest country, and I'm proud to be an Indian. Also, it's been a home for UAE has been a home for me. So thank you so much. Your name? Vibha Rajeshwari. I'm from Coorg, Karnataka.
I'm staying from past 3 years. There is no need to get tension. It's always normal thing. People are getting hype. So Dubai government is very good. We're getting good support from the Dubai. So all are normal. There's a